Hey, 7th grade, welcome to today's lesson. Today's problems are going to be a little bit challenging for some of you, but others who have good skills with fractions and understanding of tape diagrams, I think these will be pretty fun. Make sure you read all of the questions properly. Make sure you watch this video and re-watch the examples if you are stuck. So these are multi-step ratio problems, which means that the problems will require you to use more than one step. Your goals: use tape diagrams to solve multi-step problems. I believe that tape diagrams are going to be the easiest for most of you. If you are using a strategy that does not involve tape diagrams, that is fine. I'm going to walk through 3 examples that are very similar to examples on your homework assignment. So if you can watch these 3 examples and understand them, you should do pretty well on your assignment. I'm going to use tape diagrams for all of the problems. Again, if you are choosing to use a different method, that is perfectly fine. All right, question 1. What is the cost of a $1,200 washing machine after a discount of 1/5 the original price? So what we're going to start with is 5 boxes for our tape diagram. And this represents the original price. And I chose 5 boxes simply because I know that we're going to end up getting a discount of 1/5, which is right here. So that is why I chose 5 boxes. So this represents the original price, which means that these 5 boxes represent $1,200. And if we divide the $1,200 amongst the 5 boxes, that gives us a total of $240 per box. So each box represents $240. Now, using that information, we can see that we are taking 1/5 off of the price. So you have some options. We can either take away one of our 5 boxes, which would be 1/5 of the price off, and our new price will be these 4 boxes left, the remaining 4/5. So we could multiply 240 times 4 to get $960 as our new price. Another way you can think of it is if we have $1,200 as our original price, we could subtract whatever 1/5 of the price is, and we could subtract 240, and that would leave us with our same answer of $960. So if a washing machine costs $1,200 and you get a discount of 1/5 off, you are going to be paying $960. Next question. A car dealer paid a certain price for a car and marked it up by 4/3 of the price she paid. So looking at this fraction 4/3, that means that we're going to start with 3 boxes because we're dealing with thirds. The last problem we dealt with fifths, and that's why we drew 5 boxes to start. So each of these boxes represents 1/3. and this is the original price. So each box represents 1/3, and we see that the car price was marked up by 4/3. So if each box is 1/3, and they're marking up by 4/3, we need to add, and I'm going to do a different color actually. We're going to add 4 of those thirds. So we're adding 4 boxes. Oh, what is happening here? Okay, well, it works. So we added 4/3 because each box is still worth a third. So now we have 7 total boxes. So the green is the markup. Later, she sold the car for $21,000. What was the original price? So these 7 boxes represent what she sells the car for. So we're going to divide 21,000 by 7. I'll do the 21,000 divided by 7, and that's going to get us our $3,000 per box. So I'm going to write that as 3K. So each box is worth $3,000. And we can see that they are asking, what is the original price? Well, the original price is those 3 boxes that are each worth $3,000 a piece. So if we multiply those 3 boxes by 3,000, our original price will equal $9,000. Which means that it started at $9,000, it was marked up $12,000, and that's where we get the final sale price of $21,000. All right, scroll way down. How much profit will a company make on the sale that is marked up by 2/5 and then sold at a 1/4 discount if the original price is $1,400? So this is a trick that companies use all the time whenever they have a big sale. The first thing they do is they raise the price, and then they can advertise having a sale. So we're first going to start with our 2/5. So we're going to start with 5 boxes. We'll go back to red. Okay, 5 boxes, and the original price is $1,400. So each of these boxes represents 1/5. Oh. And this is the original price. And we are told that the original price is $1,400. So to figure out the value of each box, we're going to divide 1,400 by 5 because there's 5 boxes. And that will get us $280 per box. So each of these boxes are worth $280. What the company does now is they mark up the price by 2/5. So we're going to draw 2 more squares. That are also worth $280. because every box has the same value. So now the new price is going to be our $280 times the 7 boxes, because we have 7/5 now. And that is going to equal $1,960. So after they raise the price, the new price is $1,960. Now what we need to do is look at the fact that they're going to advertise a sale. So now it's sold at a 1/4 discount. So we're going to draw 4 squares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and each of these represents 1/4 of the price. So our price is $1,960. We're going to divide that amongst 4 squares. That'll get us $490 per square. So 490, 490, 490, 490. And the store is now advertising that you get 1/4 off the price. So we're going to erase 1/4 of the price, and we're left with 3 boxes. Add a new page. We're left with 3 boxes, and 490 times those 3 boxes gives us $1,470. I'm going to scroll back up to look at the question. It says, how much profit will a company make on a sale that is marked up by 2/5 and then sold at a 1/4 discount if the original price is $1,400? So we started at $1,400. When we marked it up by 2/5, we got to $1,960. Then we took a quarter off of that price and ended up with $1,470. So the total profit would be what they sold it for minus what they bought it for, which would give us a $70 profit. I know these questions can be confusing, but if you use this video, read the question carefully, and just keep trying these problems, you'll find success. Good luck.